Well, I have a wonderful electronic invention I want you to see.
It looks something like this.
What up fools, this is Crash King from the Supermofools. Today we showed you the Kuberg with the snow kit. We got these Kubergs like a few weeks ago and they are now mounted with the ski kit. On the front we have a front ski with the mounting kit from Kuberg itself, and on the rear we got the scoop. It's a full metal scoop, so you will also get a lot of traction in the hard packed snow, but also in the soft snow like this, the POW snow. It's a 48 volts bike and it lasts long enough to have a lot of fun, but in the winter time you want to go back in early anyway to get some hot choco, and that's what we are about to do. Wrap it up. I hope you enjoyed the video. Make sure to subscribe right here or watch the previous video with Kuberg. See you next time.